Today, I want to show you a quick AI demo on how AI can make our sales team and sales managers more efficient, more productive, and then create some insights to win more deals. Let's jump in. I'd like to introduce you to Harvey. Harvey is a custom GPT that I've built and I've trained on Harvest's sales approach. So Harvey's been trained on things like our sales playbook, our ICP, our competitive battle cards, and I've even given Harvey some information from our marketing team on why Harvest and why we are the best. Let's see how Harvey works. The first thing, we need a transcript from a sales call. So when our salespeople, Robbie and Kelby, are on Zoom, they need to click the button that also creates a transcript. For example here, this is a transcript of one of Robbie's calls that we're going to use for this demonstration. And as you can see, this is a 16-page transcript. Let's jump on over to Harvey here. And the first thing I want to do is attach the transcript. And I want to start with something easy, like please summarize the attached sales call transcript from our salesperson, Robbie. Okay. And now, as just a high-level summary of this call, Robbie greeted the prospect, set the agenda, fantastic. Discovery phase, I mentioned they had 30 users, but are going to scale to 50. Feature needs, preloaded time cards, talked a little bit about billing and project management. There was a demo of Harvest and closed. So here's some highlights that they're already giving us, but I want to go deeper. So now that we have just a high-level overview of what happened in this call without having to sit through that 20 or 30-minute call, the next thing I want to do is I want to say, Harvey, please compare this call transcript with the sales playbook in your knowledge base. What did Robbie do well? What could she have done better according to the playbook? So let's see what Harvey says. So according to the playbook, what Robbie did well, she set an agenda, why it's good, and playbook alignment. Discovery questions, we talked through that. Addressing customers' pain points. The playbook stresses outcomes, not just features. She did a solid job of addressing the prospect's pain points, demo and product features. What could have been done better though? So this is an opportunity not only for Robbie to self-coach using Harvey, but if Andy is looking to give feedback, we want to talk a little bit more and dive deeper on building rapport, handling objections, focusing more on outcomes, and then handling that preloaded time card concern. Also, other areas of improvement, positioning Harvest against competitors. So in conclusion, what she did well and what could be improved upon. So automatically we could see, here's how you could have done better according to our sales process and approach. So let's take it a step further and say, okay, what should Robbie do next call to reduce risk and win this deal? Now we have some coaching moving forward on what this next call should look like according to the playbook. Okay, so some of the ideas here are revisit rapport building, address specific feature concerns, quantify the value of Harvest. That's in our playbook as well with the ROI calculation framework, offer some custom solutions, frame our strengths against competitors, ask more strategic questions to deepen discovery, and then what's the plan for pricing and close? I know we don't have a hard close necessarily, but to be able to end that sales process and initiate them signing up. Confirm next steps and follow-up. That's also part of the playbook. So here's a strategy of 8 things that Robbie can clearly do to reduce risk and potentially win this deal. This is all the coaching side, whether you're a manager or you're a salesperson self-coaching, this is the value of Harvey. But let's take another step and talk about taking notes from this and getting them into our CRM. The next thing I want to show here is this was given to me by Andy, and this is a little checklist of all the things that we should be doing in a call. Before the call, here's some key questions to ask. And this would translate exactly into notes in our CRM. So let's see how Harvey can speed up the salesperson's job and make them more efficient in doing exactly this. What I want to do now is, using the call transcript, please answer each question yes or no and provide context. What I'm going to do here is just drop these questions right in there. So now I have these questions up against the transcript. And this is going to create notes for our CRM. All right, so according to our checklist, Did she ask about the company? No. Did she ask about the role? No. Tell me about your goals. Yes. And then here's some information to drop into the CRM. Time frame? Nope. No clear discussion. Can you provide insights? Yes. Copy and paste this right into the CRM. What problems are you trying to solve? We have information for the CRM. 7, no. 8, yes. How did you find Harvest? That was not answered. And evaluating other solutions. This not only creates a gap analysis of questions that Robbie needs to ask in order to complete this checklist, but we now have notes that we can easily copy and paste. And the last thing we want to do is we want to get a little blurb to email. What I want to do is say, using the call transcript, please write me a short, skimmable summary I can email this prospect. Please include what they are trying to accomplish with Harvest, our value, and next steps. And now, using the call transcript, Harvey quickly puts together a skimmable email summary. What are you trying to accomplish? Improve reporting accuracy, simplify time management, how Harvest can help, talks about our time tracking, detailed reporting, project budgeting, next steps, personalized demo. Now, again, we don't want to take an output exactly from Harvey and send that directly over to them. But this is creating a quick template, creating some efficiencies where then she can go in. Hope you enjoyed this demo of Harvey. See you soon.